This is our wastewater training unit. To run this unit, you'd fill this lower tank with 12 gallons of water. The max fill is 13.5. Then you fill the upper portion tanks to the fill line. It's marked on the tanks, and it'll self-level through the unit. Then you would add your sludge, which would be your dirt, topsoil, into this tank, tank 1, and it'll settle. Then once it settles or gets saturated, you turn the pump on, turn the power on, turn the water on, and you would turn the aerator on to move the sludge up, get it bubbling. It's going to come through the tube. So your heavies will stay on this side. Your lighter sludge will come on this side, and it'll settle down the bottom. And this is where your sludge pump sucks from. This controls the sludge. Once you get sludge buildup in that one, it'll pump it back. Once it's running, it'll get cleaner, come back up through, it'll get cleaner, you'll have settlement, it'll get cleaner, and then come out the end. You can adjust the amount of air. That you put to the tank 1, and the amount of return water coming back in to maintain your level here. To shut down the unit, turn your sludge pump off, turn your air pump off, water, and power.